Paola is not going to be exhausted because you yourself will be able to take this and give you a perfect heatless curls. Hey guys, my name is Ellen Fox, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the perfect heatless curls because I have failed so many times. Like if you go and watch my old shorts, you will definitely find a couple of attempts at heatless curls, and every single time I ended up with worse hair. And that's when I realized maybe my hair is the problem. So over the past couple of years, I've tried different techniques, different products, and I finally mastered the art of the perfect heatless curls. Okay, first things first. This is the heat protectant. It's from L'Oreal. It's their Dream Lens Super Blow Dry Cream. I'm also going to apply some hair mask because I apply this every step of my life. I feel like my hair is so dry and so desperate, in such a need of help, that I just be reapplying this all the time. I just want my hair to be repaired. I don't think it's damaged. I think it was born this way, but still. This is the Garnier Hair Remedy 3 Honey Repairing Mask, and we're going to apply this next. You can use any hair mask you want, it doesn't really matter. What we're trying to do is just to, nourish the hair, make it more moisturized, more smooth, and just get the frizz out. Once your hair looks slightly more normal, no, listen to me. I know I said it was heatless curls, but we're not really going to use that much heat. It's just going to be 2 seconds, I promise. And whatever little damage those 2 seconds are going to do, we're already wearing protection. This is what you're going to do. Take the straightener, clamp it on, that's it. The smoke is not my hair burning. This is the heat protectant and the hair mask. Once your hair is more under control, we're going to move to the next step. Now you need to take water, a mist, or I'm going to use another heat protectant. This one is a spray. We basically just need to get our hair a little damp. Go back in with the hair mask, brush that through, and finally the part where we're going to do the curls. So you're going to take a sock, and I'm just going to clip that at the top of my head. Now this is what I like to do. You're going to take a section from the front, above the sock, and that's where you're going to take a section from the back. Put them together, and then put it around the sock. Section from the front, get it together, around the sock. Section from the back, around the sock, section from the front. Now you're just going to keep twisting, clip that in place. Hairspray. Carefully take the clip off. You're going to take your socks and put them up like that. And then put the clip back. That's it. And then just repeat on the other side. You can also use like ponytails or elastics, and then you can sleep in it, or I like to leave it on until I have to take them out. Now I've had these in for like 20 minutes. And I'm going to take them out, but Your Honor, if they don't work out, I have another video. I made another video. It's a short. I made that, and it proves that this method works. If it doesn't work today, I'm not lying, it works, okay? I just maybe did something wrong, but it works. So I have a short video and it works. So I hope this works, okay? Hadi bismillah. Also, if you feel like your hair is still a little bit damp, instead of going in with more heat and blow drying, use a fan. And to take them out, unclip from the bottom, unclip from the top, and then just pull. Like that. Unclip from the top. Now some more hairspray. Ooh, I look like a little heroine.
Omegaverse, Yowie. K-drama, Yowie. Shonen Ai, Yowie. Enemies to lovers. This song.
I think I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, sorry. And if you feel like this isn't the best work on the market, this is what we started with. Leave me be. So that was it for this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give me a like. Also comment below and let me know what other videos you would like to see from me. Let me know that, and also subscribe, click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload, and also check out my shorts because I upload a lot more shorts. So check those out. Follow me on my social medias. They're at @elneffox, and yeah, that is it. I'm the only Elneffox in this world. And I never thought that heatless curls could look so good. English is like my fourth language. I'm so sorry. I never thought that heatless curls could look so good on me. I think I'm saying the right thing. I'm just not, like, my brain is not functioning. I'm sorry. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and